Hey, have you ever sat down to study for hours, feeling like you're putting in the work, but then the exam hits and your mind goes completely blank? Total panic mode, right? I've been there. Phone right next to me, notifications buzzing nonstop, convincing myself I'm getting stuff done, but really, nope. The truth is, 99% of us are making one massive mistake that's quietly destroying our focus. And it's not about lacking motivation or studying harder. It's studying in the wrong environment, like in bed where you usually sleep or scroll, or on the couch with your phone blowing up. Your brain starts associating that spot with relaxation and distractions, not deep work. One notification pulls you away, 20 minutes vanish, nothing sticks, exam stress piles up, and burnout creeps in fast. Does that sound like your routine? But here's the good part. You can fix this instantly, no crazy willpower required. First, choose one dedicated study spot, a desk, kitchen table, or library corner, somewhere that's only for work. Your brain will learn to flip into focus mode the second you sit there. Second, eliminate distractions ruthlessly. Put your phone in another room or on Do Not Disturb, clear the clutter, keep only your notes and water on the desk. Third, make it comfortable but energizing. Bright lighting, not too cozy. Throw on some lo-fi beats if total silence drives you crazy. Set this up once and your study sessions will shift from frustrating and wasteful to actually productive. I felt less stressed and remembered way more after just one try. Quick recap. A bad environment kills focus and retention. Switch to a dedicated, distraction-free, optimized spot instead. Try this tonight. Fix your space before bed. Tomorrow's session will feel so much better, I promise. Drop your biggest distraction in the comments. Mine's definitely my phone. Like if this resonated, and let's keep building better habits together. You've got this.